Imagine a world where hand tools and horse-drawn carriages were the norm. Now, picture the rapid transformation that took place in just a few decades. The Industrial Revolution was not just a period of change, it was a seismic shift that redefined how we live, work, and think. Spanning from the late 18th to the early 19th centuries, the Industrial Revolution marked a massive transition from agrarian economies to industrialized societies. This era was characterized by groundbreaking inventions and innovations that fueled unprecedented economic growth. One of the most significant innovations was the steam engine, perfected by James Watt in the late 18th century. This invention harnessed steam power to drive machinery, revolutionizing industries such as textiles and transportation. Steam engines enabled factories to operate more efficiently, increasing production rates. They also transformed transportation with steam-powered locomotives and ships, shrinking travel times and expanding trade. Suddenly, goods could be transported faster and farther than ever before, laying the groundwork for a global economy. The textile industry was at the forefront of the Industrial Revolution. Innovations like the spinning jenny and the power loom drastically changed the way fabrics were produced. The spinning jenny, invented by James Hargreaves, allowed one worker to spin multiple spools of thread simultaneously, increasing productivity. The power loom, developed by Edmund Cartwright, automated the weaving process, further enhancing efficiency and output. These inventions not only boosted production but also transformed labor, moving work from home-based systems to large factories. Another game-changing innovation was the production of iron and steel. The introduction of the Bessemer process by Henry Bessemer in the 1850s allowed for the mass production of steel, a stronger and more versatile material. Steel became essential for building infrastructure, including bridges, railways, and skyscrapers. This innovation fueled advancements in construction and transportation, reshaping cities across the globe. The skyline of modern cities owes much to the advancements in steel production during this era. The Industrial Revolution also ushered in an era of mechanization. Factories adopted assembly line production techniques, streamlining manufacturing processes. This method reduced labor costs and increased efficiency, allowing for the mass production of goods. Items that were once handcrafted could now be produced on a large scale, making them more affordable and accessible to the general public. This shift not only transformed industries but also changed consumer culture, giving rise to a society that valued mass-produced goods. Transportation underwent a revolution of its own. The invention of the steam locomotive and later the automobile changed how people and goods moved. Railways connected cities and towns, facilitating commerce and migration. The introduction of the internal combustion engine led to the development of automobiles, further enhancing mobility. These innovations created a network of transportation that would support economic growth and change the way society functioned. While the Industrial Revolution brought about remarkable innovations, it also had profound social impacts. Urbanization surged as people flocked to cities for work, leading to both opportunity and challenges. Living conditions in rapidly growing cities often deteriorated, leading to public health issues and social unrest. The labor movement emerged in response to poor working conditions, advocating for workers' rights and reforms. The struggles of this era laid the groundwork for labor laws and social reforms that we take for granted today. The innovations of the Industrial Revolution reshaped our world in ways that are still evident today. From steam engines to assembly lines, the legacy of this transformative period continues to influence our lives. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the innovations that changed the course of history. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What innovation do you think had the greatest impact?